Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are going to employ MATLAB to estimate these integrals using trapezoidal rule. In the first question, integral limit is from 0 to 10 and this is the function 1 over 1 plus x square. We will call this as function y. In the second question, the integral is from -1 to 1 and this is the function 2 exponential minus 3x. This is our function y. So this is a trapezoidal rule formula. I is equal to h by 2. H is the step size. Y naught is the function value of y at x naught. At x naught is actually the initial value of x, and y in is the uh, function y value at x in, which is our final or the last value of input x. And similarly, this y1 is the function y value at x1, and this is the function y value at x2, and so on. If the step size is not given, this is how you can calculate this. It is given as x in, the last value of input x, and x naught is the initial value of the, or the first value of the x divided by n. N is the number of intervals. So we will solve this these problems in the command window as well as in the editor. So clear screen, clear, close, and enter the function y is equal to at the rate of x. This is 1 over 1 plus x square. Okay, you have to put a dot here. It ensures the element to element operation, and also a dot here. Semicolon, then enter the values of x. Let the step size is 0.1. Thus the x is equal to from 0 to 10. Okay, now write the function traps and x comma y of x. So we already have the values of x. You can check it from here. So these are the values of x. You can see that this is from 0 to 10 with a step size of 0.1, and this y of x will calculate the values of y at each x. So just enter, and this is the 1.471 is the answer. Okay, now let's write a code for the trapezoidal rule in the editor. So just write edit here, and the editor is open. So this program calculates integral using trapezoidal rule. And now write clear, CLC, close, and enter the function y is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, similarly enter the h is equal to 1 0 sorry, this is 0.1, and x is equal to 0 0.1 10, and okay, this is function of x, and if you just write traps of x, y of x, so and click on run. You have to save this traps 3. Oh sorry, there is some problem. Yeah, this is actually we have to put a at the rate here, at the rate. Now click on run, and you can see this is the answer. Let us okay, now I will write a code for the trapezoidal rule. So remove this and write x naught is equal to x of 1. So x of 1 means the initial value of the x, and x in is the last value of x. So x of n If I run this, so you can see that x is equal to x naught is equal to 0, the initial value of x naught, and x in is 10, the final value of the x. Okay, and similarly y naught is equal to y of x naught, and this is y naught, and y1 is equal to sorry, yn is equal to y of xn. Okay, now I equals to h by 2 sterical y naught plus, put a dot before static, y naught plus y in. Okay, this actually calculate this h by 2 static y naught plus y in. And now we will use for loop. For is equal to for j equals to 2 up to length of x minus 1. Okay, what does it mean? This j is equal to 2 up to length of x minus 1. You can see that this x, the length of x is 101, right? So j is equal to 2 means that it will start from the second value of the x, and then it will go up to the length of x minus 1, which is the second last value of x, this value 9.9. And for this, this for loop will be executed. I is equal to I plus h steric y of x of j. Okay, that means that y of x of j means when j is equal to 2, so this is x of 2, the second value of the x is 0.1. So it will take the second value of x of 2, and then it will calculate the y at 0.1, this y. Okay, and it will multiply with the h and will add in this I. Similarly, then again h steric y of x of 3 for this, and it will be added in this I, and the loop will be executed in this way. So end, and I just want to report this I integral. So click on run, and here you can see the same answer. Okay, you can do this from the for the second as well. So just change this function. This is 2 dot steric exponential minus 3 dot steric x, and step size is 5. Just this is 5. Okay, just write h here, and this is minus 1 up to 1. You don't need to change anything else. Just click on the run, and this is the answer. Okay, sometimes we are given the data instead of the function. So for that, let's suppose we have this data. This is x and this is y. Okay, and we want to integrate this. So for that, just delete all these, and you need to ensure that the Excel file is stored in the folder that you are currently working in. So this is our current folder. You can browse to this folder from here. Just click on this, and ensure that you select the folder that contains this this file. So now enter data is equal to XLS read, and then you have to enter the name of the file, this file. Okay, this Control C, and just write the name of this file and enter. If I run it, you can see that this data is now imported, the x and the y. So we have to separate this into x and y now. So for that, x is equal to data of all rows, sorry, row number 1 and all columns. So number 1 and all columns, and okay, and similarly for y is equal to data row number 1 and row number 2 and all columns. Hmm. And if you run this, you can see this is x and this is the y. Okay, and now just write traps x y and run, and this is the answer. This is the result. So now I will write the code for the data. So just delete this, and like if you have the data, so how to write the code for the trapezoidal rule? The simplest way is to just write traps x y. However, if you want to write the code, so write I is equal to 0 here, and for small I, you can use j is equal to 1 up to length of leng th length of x minus 1, and h of j is equal to uh, x of I plus 1. Sorry, this is x of I plus 1 minus x of I. So sometimes we, sorry, this is j, x of j plus 1. Sometimes we don't have the same step size. Like you can see that here the step size is almost equal to 0.08. However, the step size here is a 0.01. So then you have to write the code in this way, and then I is equal to I plus h by 2 steric y of so this is h underscore j, so y of j plus y of j plus 1, and then n. So this first, when j is equal to 1, so it will calculate the first step size like xj plus 1, so x2, this will be x of 2 minus x of j, so j is equal to 1. So this will calculate the difference between these two values, and then it will use the same to do the calculation. This y of j is y of 1, and y of j plus 1 is actually y of 2. So first the loop will be run for j is equal to 1, then j is equal to 2, and up to the length of x minus 1. So it will run for 1 2 3 4 5 times. Okay, and just report me the value of I. So click on the run. There is, I think, some problem with the parentheses this, and click on the run, and this is, we got the same answer. Thank you very much.